Here I have Realme C25Y, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the contact, select the contact which you want to add photo, then tap edit contact, tap on the camera icon to add its photo, then you have an option to take photo or to select photo from the gallery. Then you have to select photo. Here you can adjust this photo and then tap done and then save, and as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.